Do you mind any artist that you want to feature or do collaboration with?
For now, I think it's Mzbel.
Huh?
Mzbel. I want to feature Mzbel. That's all.
Mzbel.
Yeah.
Former artist Mzbel.
Yeah. You know,
she's a former artist.
Yeah, but she did great. We have to learn how to celebrate people. She don't have to go before you started saying that, oh yeah, she did this, she's alive.
When you mean you mean to me who you wish. I see a time now make Jimmy and Cramp when you mean and then I'll be me. Me yana means that I'm a patana way to Crampo. I've started a trend that is making people's career near send it here. Why? See Abeiku Santana. And my one can continue, you know, almost a TikTok girl singing, and almost no more ye, not the Namuswa. Who pursue ye the piano, and actually, I say, hey, Abeiku Santana and my girl here popular, and they say, it's super fuck one pistol, no one to show Musaya, and your mother. Some crying, yes, sir. Bon, some, I don't call yes, sir. And the crutch, me a former artist, my Jackson. Me work to my Jackson, and you mind a year, but I'm fucking Mzbel, you can't change that. Female artists, we have no sex, no a bold, but we say, oh, yeah, I said Mzbel. Why? Me, I'm starting the trend MZ. Who would be a MZ be a start here? I mean, I'm start here. A lot of young girls come, I miss this, I miss that, I miss this, I miss that. Me yana means that I'm a patana me way to Crampo. I've started a trend that is making people's career near send it here. Why? When you mean you mean to me who you wish. I see a time now make Jimmy and Crampo when you mean and then I'll be me. Ah, bra. You see, I hear radio. Yeah, they are a promo. Yeah, hear radio. And it's a baby at my radio near them. Yeah, radio near the promo. Come on from a near cop. At the same. I said, Bolanga, Cafe Bino. So a few seconds. Can you say the witch? Abeiku, Shami Waha, near what now, sir? Now we're seeing the pattern. Abeiku, me pass so many members. Sir, brown, yeah. Who not Abium? Me that morning when I posted that I see Bolanga is coming, then you want to cry and run away. Yeah, I just wanted to make people laugh. Nanga first not a do much. Now I say, oh my can mean I'm a bomb with him, but I'm a calm. Unya, bra, unya, Obian Maso made friend for all the good reasons. First, what is a Miss Boy, Bibia? I am not your big coon. I did that temple tour. Now was a source to a radio, so now it's him. No, you're fake. No, you're fake. No, you're fake. Brass is on young Gabium, but come as my ass and back on young car, because I'm watching. Bobby who tomorrow on your bonnet on committing crime. And yeah, like what the fuck, watch him on watch him. That's fucking it. Baby, I bet him. Jesus Christ, for by was with him. On Jim, some can ask him. Sir, bra, I bet who's watch him. Who a former radio presenter. Yeah, can radio presenter, sir. You know, young ones see my baby, I'm come to a free as a sister. I'm not going to our program. I see. Now, for you will become intimidated. No, I see your concert. Oh, your minimum saw your concert, sir. Now we start because you've met young ones who understand radio and do radio and fetchy radio, and they have followers on social media. I'm think this one. I mean, you know, it's magic. So when you see them, then you start doing concert. Why Jamaica now we start stepping? Oh, Jimmy. Mukwaya musimi yefi mainstream fata music industry mu Crampo. Ebony buy na de bia me na mo dey comparison. And I mute why I say Mzbel, and I Mzbel, and I modern Mzbel. You said it several times on your oh. Abeiku Santana, you are nobody. We are all human beings. We are all the same. We all came from the same source. I don't think that spirit in you talks to you. If the spirit in you talks to you, you will know. So what did they now coming once and fee? Why once and fee now? Why when you go say now? So if you say me a James Town girl, I mean some fatal one. Why, sir? That's how you see. You fucking see yourself. What you see, Abeiku Santana. And my one getting kitty, almost a TikTok girl seeing him, and almost no more ye, not the end, Namu Swa. Who pursue ye be pian, and that should be like I say, hey, Abeiku Santana, and my girl here popular, and they say, it's super fuck one pistol, no one to show Musaya, and your mother. Me pa chowo one of my branding me say me yasha wo any madam why pan a bit na ye board abeka say me name is Mzbel dada Debbie am beka say me ni obi ada no mo be bo empanyimfo din mo anka say ye president mo beka say ye vice president mo beka say ye obi o only bank all these big people. So I am not that cheap. You didn't get it for free. Let it go, dude. Let it go. Let it go. It's been so many years. Let it go. Even sometimes you cannot be mushada nyakono. Minimum dressing, minimum makeup, minimum pimples. Nya me share with papa synthetic na me share. Minimum shimi ya krasini. So when you me me. So let it go, Jude. Let it go. Let it fucking go. Let it go. Santana, let it go. Now the area we know what I say we yet say we diagro. And yes, I need diagro. You are portraying your bitterness. The show mu that no and one of the be on your cancer. Now person woka. But me should dan you be asa. Abeiku Santana. Ah, about the coming one some Eddie Aji trend. Me no be a me manu sun trend. Me no be asa. What you say? Stop being a hypocrite. Abeiku Santana, stop being a hypocrite. Oh, say nema why was so much na man to me and never be able to. I am waiting for the rest of them to come and grant an interview about me and let me come and say and mention names of people they have tried to sabotage. But that is the truth. These people, Opa, come office of Namukita radio and the TV and I say was sumo Ufa check. No will true money now, some we are myself do true Muslim. No one, second husband. Who your bounces are? On better do trauma before Pasiana, so cry and this car. It's a 1 year. That I say, we are no more mess, on the tongue was some on our chair, and I saw how to auto no to Tana, and our voice they say, and our voice in war, and I went and to they will come and spoil it. I like a name back home and say, oh, Mzbel's music is big in Nigeria. I want to work with her. Oh, we have better artists. Now, more better artists in our way. Maybe your former artist on smart please. You are 1.2 followers, former artists. For now, former artists, I mean, now some followers get 200K. And my one no buy and now to some so because who form will trade it free. And now feel somewhere better than in Pacho. Why can't I have 100,000 followers? Oh, we are fucking. We are fucking. I like we are fucking. So what kind of diagram? See, I make a media diagram. I run on the end. Mr. Agron, I made him name rare. Agron, and I made him. Abeiku. Me part me. I don't know who. I hear baby. Sir, Obanya kakre from no the abua. Nya oye. Sansa see about radio something. Hey aba. Now can you pa and you must say. The monocona oya power no need back on. Beneko bacho. As yansu na feel no lela mopo. And you must work only do. No one re no be home or let do remi and remi dos myself or let shelly. She will not tell no tone and la and having a going yes, flare. A cloud of going yes, like a bull and no fear. Mrs. I going to be Namidi. Who said the Ami, the Atama, Abeiku Santana, Miss Media, Gronibi. Don't know, I'm near Diago. Them some for the say I'm near Diago. I am fair flock all card or cost with no fear. Oh, I'm not able to cope. Sweet a card where act past him. Diana Yale Tembella, Lizzie Man Lizzie. I'll call senior Bate or Bessie or Corduna Bubate, Pesca. You are fair flap. I thought they were Mzbel. I shall let Mzbel. I sat to see balling. Pulling bell, no crack on. You are fair flap. I was in for me this year. Compared to an eddy. Marco Boon sad and an mercy. For some of my husband. If I was seen in another slouch, not a compass in number. It did, you know. Jai na say radio na etwam. Radio say a former. This radio na politics. Radio politics. For politics. Entertainment for your radio bill. Man catch you. When the last time that I was sorry about Obama, those times for 5 million, for 10 million, for 8 million. When the last time somebody gave you money to play their song, you actually beg for it, and then when they come, you try to ridicule them. Now we cry any problem. Yanku Pompa Ben of Bayam. Because we are all from the same source. Me, I feel said, Miss Yanku Pon true to baby never. Obesity of me, I could see who baby never. Obesity, I could more true never. Obesity, I could buy at another wolf in a point. True one, said you. Because we can't study as I go to a bone. Any aglossa, comedy now, but I am patron. It's me a comedy, Eddie Diobiatum, and my name Syria. One more year, and may I call upon Clemento Suarez in the moon. No, I'm on training. Jacinth Sanomo. General Tetsia and Tatiana. If you want to do comedy and insult people and still make it funny, I mean, go and see all these young ones. About fresh. I'm not winning. How much now radio somewhere over? So nobody do attempt from top to down. So now I ask for someone winning with your person. So now I got come out. Who's a former? One year former. Yes, me a former. But you say you ain't trying to say it to be funny. You are trying to say it to be negative. That's why I'm fucking trying to play your game with you right now. Jimmy Four to say, Jimmy Four who fit. There be a much room for. There be a shirt. I'm not from Abeiku Santana. I've fought. Who can read your swear? Because of being here, won't you know? What's the sorry? I know Jimmy. Because you want audience. What's for? You sit down gently and talk, and still they are so fucking funny. You don't have to do much. Who got to be a radio? Radio so your TV. Now my ass camera so now you did all that fucking drama. It's not funny. If you want to be funny, go and see Clemento Suarez. That's it, sir. Effortlessly comes naturally. I see ya. Oh, be a my radio so be a next one. Yeah, my. There was social media. Yeah, the back to her. Then back I remember bloggers, yeah, the mom. Say 800, 500, now over so original show. I said, we are big boy. I said, who just got a for your star or your shita. Yeah, the bloggers. I will come back and my headline be not to put him. Sammy K. no more concern no more. And you're more cool. We war away. What to my whole night time, but never no, not one. Robert College, palace. Siabu. Now for a corner boy. When Jacomo social media and can I spoke of mud. Her person and some mosquito, her rituals, a palace. No one, come in. No one, no condemn. Or buy him more for. A abbey could not buy him more for, but then again. Come in. I don't know. She you marry. I ain't got any be a mean bonny be young. Who cry Abeiku Santana? Don't let me say things. You see somewhere and say awful things about your wife. Who compare girl you one penny? And the girl was referring you about your wife. And how come? And now you say this now no. And they find who the upper slim girls, because the upper slim girls who can slim girls. And I have no sir. A balls again. On your ear, fair flock, what the being fair flock to my ear, fair flap. Me and you, we are the same because we are human beings. Baba bonus is on some way, young question, the bed, but try to watch me the mention trying to me. Me the Akasta, new wire, a bit too. I'm a nice study, be careful. We are one people. We are all human beings. We are from the same source. The spirit in you is in me. Your Bible says, Obi Fuma, Unsabako Hawa. Chatutini, me Zabako Hami, Abeiku Santana, me trying to me. Meto wire, Namato Akasha, Namidi Parazo account, Namidi tree. I'm a nice study. We are fair, compassion.